Thinking about trying ketamine therapy but unsure what to expect? You're not alone. Many people feel nervous before their first session, but knowing what happens step by step can help you feel prepared and confident. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire ketamine therapy experience so you know exactly what to expect. Your journey begins when you arrive at the clinic. Ketamine therapy is provided in a calm, controlled environment with trained professionals to ensure safety and comfort. Upon arrival, you'll check in, and your provider will go over any last-minute questions. Once you're checked in, you'll be guided to a private treatment room. Here you'll get comfortable. Many clinics provide reclining chairs, blankets, eye masks, and calming music to create a relaxing atmosphere. Your provider will take your vital signs, review your treatment plan, and ensure you're feeling ready. Before the session starts, you will be encouraged to set an intention, a thought or goal to focus on during the experience. This can be something like, "I am open to healing," or "I want to release past emotional burdens." While ketamine doesn't require a specific mindset to be effective, setting an intention can deepen your therapeutic experience. Ketamine can be administered in several ways, but IV infusion, intramuscular injection are the most common and effective. At Whole Mind, we use intramuscular injections, and you can expect the experience to last about 45 minutes. Intramuscular injections allow you greater freedom to move, less chances of complications, and more relaxing environment. As the ketamine takes effect, you may begin to feel lightness, floating sensations, or a sense of detachment from your thoughts and body. Some people experience dreamlike visuals or deep emotional insights, while others simply feel relaxed. Every experience is unique, and your provider will be there to monitor you throughout the session. Ketamine's effects peak within 25 minutes after administration. You might feel a sense of expanded awareness, as if your thoughts are flowing more freely. Many describe it as a reset for the mind, where emotions and memories can surface in a new way, sometimes with a fresh perspective. Medical staff will be present to ensure your safety, but they won't interfere unless needed. You'll be encouraged to relax and surrender to the experience rather than trying to control it. Your clinic should provide calming music to enhance the process. At Whole Mind, we use music specifically created for the unique experience of ketamine therapy. As the ketamine effects begin to wear off, you'll start feeling more grounded and aware of your surroundings. While the immediate experience can be insightful, the real transformation happens in the days and weeks after the session. This is where integration plays a key role. Integration is the process of making sense of your ketamine experience and applying the insights to your daily life. Without it, the effects of ketamine may fade more quickly, and the deeper benefits of the treatment can be lost. A clinic that provides integration support, whether through therapy, guided reflection, journaling, or group discussions, can help you maximize the long-term impact of your treatment. When selecting a clinic, look for one that prioritizes integration alongside ketamine therapy. The best clinics don't just administer ketamine, they offer structured support to help you process your experience and reinforce the new neural pathways ketamine creates. This may include one-on-one therapy, integration coaching, or mindfulness practices designed to help you carry the benefits of your session into everyday life. Remember, ketamine opens the door to healing, but integration helps you walk through it. If you want the most from your treatment, choose a clinic that values both the medicine and the meaning behind it. Now that you know what to expect, you can feel more confident going into your ketamine therapy session. Remember, everyone's experience is different, and the effects often unfold over time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more insights into ketamine therapy and mental health.